What is going on, guys? It's Josh from the Frugal Boys back at it with another video, and today I am bringing you another unboxing. So I got this pair of Adidas runners or shoes. They are, I think, you can call them runners. I got it from Champs. They were half the price of its retail, and I think it's a really good pickup. It is a last year shoe, so, well, basically last year. I think it came out mid-year of last year or early 2017. So basically last year, well, not really basically last year, because it's already 2018 and last year was 2017. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about any more of the details, but I did get the shoe last year, and they've been sitting on my thing back there. That's why there's a hole right there. There's no box right there. If you see on the other videos, there's a pair of the blue Adidas box right there, but it's not there right now because I am unboxing it for you today. So let's open these Adidas EQT 9317. I think personally they're one of my favorite shoes because they are comfortable / they look good. You can wear them with a lot of things. Please, guys, do not mind the weird, if you see like a light thing in the middle of my eyes, because there is a light right there. So let's open these guys up. Oh man, I don't have the wrapping around it because I don't know. I think I lost it, or once I got them, like, I instantly put them on, cause why not? So these are it. Oh yes, these shoes. These shoes are nice. These, like, it says Prime Knit, or I don't know. Is this Prime Knit? No, I don't think it's Prime Knit. These are a size 11.5 because they fit perfectly 11.5. I think they run true to size, but like 11.5 work too. So these are a really nice looking pair of shoes. They got the boost on them. Of course, Adidas got to hit it up with the boost. They hit it up with the Hardens. They got to hit it up with the EQT 9317. Got a nice mesh here, or Prime Knit, or I don't know what you want to call this. Some mesh right here. It's really nice mesh. It's like soft. It's basically, it feels like there's nothing on your shoe. The only thing I really don't like is the plastic thing right here. I mean, it makes it more fashionable, I guess. Yeah, this plastic thing right here, it's on both. But this one's really not noticeable. This one's fine with me because it blends with the colors on this EQT shoe. This one doesn't, and it just out there. But to be honest, these shoes are really comfortable. I give it a 9 out of 10 on the comfortability scale. Yeah, these shoes are really nice. You can rock them with anything. The bottom just looks like not really a regular pair of soles. They look kind of different. I've never seen this type, because the Adidas NMDs, they have a different type of pattern. It's like a hexagon looking thing, I think. Not hexagon. I don't know. It's some type of square thing, but this one's like with circles. Still looks pretty sick. I mean, who's gonna look at the bottom of the shoes? It says EQT support right there, and then it says EQT right there. Yeah, these are a nice pair of shoes. Got it for $90. Retail was $180. I know that's a good deal though. I got it on Black Friday. It was a great day right there. Grab these, and ooh, we going off with these. I think the colorway is just black, white. Basically, yeah, see, this retails $180 right here. These shoes are really fire. Get both of the shoes out. Show the other cam right here. Get a good look at them. Yeah, these are a nice pair of shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna put these on feet soon. So let's get into the on feet.
If we ever invent time travel, I would go back to the night we met.